Okay, just got through acid washing, I guess, the pontoons, and I waited for a long time to make this decision because I know what etching with aluminum brightener from Napa is $19 a gallon. You only need 1 gallon and an hour of your time. Keep it wet. I did it with a Zep sprayer gun, which I think if you don't have a good one, you'll regret it. That worked just fine. I mean, it wasn't hard, it didn't wear me out, and I could cover enough of it that it wouldn't allow it to streak. So you don't have to have a pump up sprayer. I'm sure it probably work a little better, and I mean, it leaves some streaking, but man, compared to what it was, I don't really care. So it looks really good. About an hour to do it, and you're done. So none of that 5 days of buffing for me. All right, Dan. We out.